welcome to EC Electronics. So in this video, we are going to see a recruitment news from BrahMos Aerospace Private Limited. A lot of people was actually asking for this recruitment update. So here it is. So we are going to see all details regarding this recruitment. Okay. So there is a recruitment happening from BrahMos Aerospace Private Limited. So they are actually recruiting for 4 categories of posts or for posts for which they are recruiting. First one is Associate Engineer. Second one is Associate Supervisor. Associate Supervisor Finance, then Driver. Okay. First post, Associate Engineer. They are asking for fresh graduates with BE BTech degree in electronics, electrical, mechanical specialization. So radar background for electrical and electronics branch will be preferred. Okay, so mostly electrical electronic candidates they are looking for, because we study radar subject, right? Age limit is 25 years as on 1st April 2021, and the location of job is New Delhi, and the salary is 22,000 per month. Okay, so they have mentioned here that the job is on a contract basis. Okay, so this post is for associate engineer and the salary is 22,000 per month. So if you are a fresher, you should definitely try for this job, because this organization is very good, and especially for electrical and electronics branch. Okay. Next one, Associate Supervisor. Qualification they are asking is BA/BSc in Computer Science with minimum 2 years of experience. So this post is asking for experience. Okay. And also in which area you require the experience also they have mentioned here. If you have a BACA/BSc, you should definitely see this post details. Okay. The age limit is 35 years and the location will be Hyderabad. So the location of job is actually different for different posts. Salary is 18,000 per month. Then second one, Associate Supervisor Finance. Candidate require BCom/MCom and with again 2 years of post qualification experience. Location is Nagpur. Age limit is 35 years and the salary is 18,000 per month. Next is drivers. They are actually asking for ex-serviceman, 10th passed with a license, that is heavy vehicle driving license, with 10 years of experience in the private public sector undertaking. Okay, defense candidates or ex-serviceman are generally preferred. Age limit is 40 years. Location is Pilani. Okay, and the salary is 15,000 per month will be the salary. Okay. So in addition to this salary, you will be getting other benefits also. They have mentioned that here. Okay. Last date for applying is 5th of April. And in order to download the application format, just click on this icon. You will be getting the application format and download it. Applications in the prescribed format need to be sent by speed post or courier to this given address. Okay. So this given address you have to send by speed post or courier. That is the application procedure. The last date of recipient of application is 5th of April. So this application should reach there on or before 5th of April. Okay. Next, let us see the application procedure. So a lot of people are actually interested in this job since there is no fees for applying and also freshers are getting recruited. A lot of people are interested. So what you have to do is just click on this blue color link. You can see that this is a redirectable link. Just click on it, and on clicking on it, it will get redirected to the official site of BrahMos Aerospace. Okay. And in this, you can see that this is getting redirected to the current opening section. And first one is the detailed advertisement that we have already seen. Second one is download application format. And you have to click on this application format and you will get to see that this is a Word file. Okay. So you have to fill up this Word file and take a printout and paste your photo and all. So here the photo self-attested, paste properly to prevent falling off. Okay, so you have to paste the photo and self-attest it. Okay, and you have to send the application form. That is, this application form you have to fill up and you have to send it to the given address by either you can take it by hand or you can send it by speed post or by courier. Okay, so here another thing they have given in highlighted form. See, you can see that is regarding the screening. Okay, Initial screening will be based on the application format. Hence, all summary information should be available. Please do not write to refer the enclosures. Applications deficient in information supporting documents will be rejected in the initial screening. Shortlisted candidates will be called for test interview designed to assess the fundamental knowledge of the subject, skill and aptitude for selection. Okay, so the selection process they have actually given in this Word file. Okay, so what is going to happen is you have to fill up this application form. You have to send it either by courier or by speed post, and you have to fill up all details. Okay, all details need to be filled in this. And also if you are sending this by speed post or courier or by any means, just attach your supporting documents, that is your certificates and all. The copy of the certificates and all should be attached. Okay, because they have mentioned here the supporting documents need to be sent along with this. Okay, so when you're sending this, just attach the certificates copy and age proof, 10th certificate, everything you have to attach along with this, and you have to send it properly. Okay, properly you have to send it. Do not miss out any information or any field. Fill up all fields. Okay, and the selection is going to happen based on initial screening, based on the application, and then there will be test and interview. Actually they have given test / interview. Sometimes there will be interview only, sometimes there will be test plus interview. Okay, so that is going to be the selection process. So that is the application procedure. A lot of people was actually asking for the application procedures. So here it is. If you are interested, please do apply for this. The last date is 5th of April. That is, your application should reach the location on or before 5th of April. So please do apply for it fast. So that's all about the job update from BrahMos Aerospace. A lot of people was actually asking me for this video. Here it is. Application procedure also we have seen. Application form, how to download the application form also we have seen here. So if you found this video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.